Hello everyone, this is Instructor Chris, and today we are beginning the Advanced series, so that's very exciting. We're going to start off with over two arms. Over two arms is going to add on to the over the arm and make it a little bit more complicated, and it's going to set us up for something that you'll be learning in Expert that I call handless twirling. So, let's get started. So first I'm going to demonstrate the move. Just like that. Alright, so first off, you have to be able to do over the arm, and you got to be able to do it well. So once you have that, essentially, it starts out the same as an over the arm. Now notice the bow, as it comes downward, we put our hand to catch it. Now if we want to go over both arms, we're going to have to, instead of catching it, put our arm in the way, like that, to kind of catch it. And now, notice it balances. It gets a new platform. So we're essentially weighting it from one platform to another, with the platforms being our arms. So over one, and then I stick my arm out so that it falls on my second arm. The catch is very similar to around the hand, and that my hand is going to be down and I'm going to catch it when it reaches a horizontal point. So I go over one, I stick my other hand to catch it, and then it circles around my hand and I catch it similar to a over the hand. Now, to do it in that kind of Sinawali type of way, where before we were throwing it over with the top side first, now we're going to be throwing it over with the bottom side. Now, I basically just have to reverse the previous grip. So if I was holding it mostly with the top side being the biggest side, now I'm going to hold it with the bottom side being the biggest side. Now you can also do this with around the neck, and it's very useful to be able to do it both ways. So I would recommend practicing throwing from the bottom side with several moves. Once you have that, it's pretty much just throwing it over your arms twice and then circling back around and throwing it over the same arm again. Alright, so that's it. Go out and practice.